In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily add page numbers to your Google Docs. This is an essential task whether you're preparing a report, essay, or any document where you want to maintain professional formatting and organization. So, let's dive right in to make your document not just informative, but also neat and navigable. First, open your Google Doc where you'd like to insert page numbers. If you're not already familiar with its interface, don't worry, I'll guide you through each step. Once your document is open, move your cursor to the top toolbar and look for the Format menu. It's located between the View and Tools options. Clicking on Format will open a drop-down menu filled with various text formatting options. This feature-rich menu is your go-to for making visual adjustments to your text, and today we're focusing on the page numbers. After clicking on Format, the next step is to locate the page numbers option from this drop-down menu. It's positioned somewhere near the bottom, so depending on your screen size, you might need to scroll slightly to see it. Once you find it, click Page Numbers, and another submenu with page numbering options will appear. This menu allows you to specify exactly where in your document you want these numbers to show up, whether at the top or bottom of the page. With your page numbers submenu open, you'll be presented with a few layout styles for your page numbers. You might see options for numbers at the top right corner or bottom center of each page. Choose the style that best fits your document's needs. For instance, having the numbers at the top might give that thesis or formal document a distinct modern look, while numbers at the bottom are often used in more traditional settings. Once you've selected your desired page number position, you have the option to adjust where the numbering begins. If your document requires a cover page, for example, you might want your numbering to start on page 2. You can accomplish this by clicking on Start At and manually selecting the number you'd like to start with. This simple yet powerful feature gives you flexibility and maintains the professional layout of your document. Finally, to apply all these settings, simply click on Apply. At this point, your document will automatically update, integrating the page numbers according to the preferences you've just set. This quick but comprehensive process not only makes your document look more organized, but ensures that readers can easily reference specific sections. And there you have it, your Google Doc is now enhanced with page numbers, adding that finishing touch to your professional or academic work. Enjoy the seamless navigation, and as always, happy doc.